What's chilling, people, and welcome to week number 5 of the Big Nugget. This week we're playing against Run and Sing. They did bring the Plusle, which is not something I was expecting. No Metagross though. So the Plusle is a little annoying because now Entei is actually slower than the Plusle. I think I'm gonna Hitmontop, Entei, Magnezone, and Azumarill, right? Or Donphan. Which Donphan better? Let's go Donphan. I wanna try Donphan once. He leads with Sableye and the Salamence. That's what I was expecting. I'm assuming the Salamence is special. I'm pretty sure the Salamence is special. No, it's clear armored, so it's actually physical. So here, the fake out seems pretty obvious. I'm gonna go for a coaching on the Entei. And I feel like I could just Sacred Fire the... the Sableye. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Reflex, yeah, makes sense. It does not protect. Dual Wing does not kill the Hitmontop. Okay. Sacred Fire, don't do much damage here. But we do get the coaching off. So now Entei is a +1. And here I'm gonna go for a Helping Hand. And Sacred Fire the... yeah, and Sacred Fire the Sableye. There's a Rock Slide, which does kill the Hitmontop. Now let's see what Terra the Sacred Fire does kill the Sableye. Salamence is flying actually, so he's actually weak to ice. And I feel like Magnezone is super good here. I'm gonna go Magnezone. Steel Beam destroys the Salamence. No steep. What is this? MEOWSCARADA. I think MEOWSCARADA should die to an extreme speed. No, he does not die to extreme speed. Steel Beam looks very nice against the I'm gonna Steel Beam. No. Let's Thunderbolt and Extreme Speed. Let's Thunderbolt and Extreme Speed. Let's kill the Salamence. He does Terra. What is he Terraing? MEOWSCARADA, that's fine. Ghost. Okay, perfect. So unless the Salamence protects here, we should be fine. If the Salamence protects, that is a bad play from us. No, he doesn't protect. Okay, so Salamence should go down here. Wow, I just one-shotted it. Okay. So that's actually pretty good. Knockoff does not kill me. There's a Steel Scarf. And he doesn't know I'm Scarf. Amazing damage on the MEOWSCARADA. Lava Dish. Huh. Luckily I have Donphan. So I'm locked into... Kinda have to Thunderbolt, and... I'll protect. Just to kill the MEOWSCARADA. He knocks off. Massive damage. Still should be faster. No, it's Chewy Scarf as well. Wow. Damn it. That is actually pretty annoying. I was max speed. Yeah, that is Scarf. Ah, that was that. Okay, I did misplay then. I definitely misplayed then. I should have just E-speed twice. I wanna have the horsepower. Like extreme speed. Okay, I think I'm gonna lose game 1 because of that protect. Knock off. This probably banded MEOWSCARADA. Can we live? No, we don't. And we lose game 1 because of that. If I didn't protect the Entei, we would have won. Because actually, no. No, we don't. Okay. Okay. We would have been fine if we didn't lose the Chewy Scarf on the Magnet Zone. That's annoying. Okay, we're gonna lead the Magnet Zone this time. Do we? I think we could. Table is probably foul play. We could go Magnet Zone and Azu. Entei in the back. And the Donphan. Or Hitmontop. I can't touch the MEOWSCARADA. We got Donphan. No fake out. He goes with the same lead. Makes sense. We go Azu and a Magnet Zone. We don't mind about the... Okay, so I could either go for a Steel Beam on... I think I am gonna Steel Beam you. Yeah, I'm gonna Steel Beam and play rough. Yeah, I'm play rough. One of them is gonna kill this Will-O-Wisp. Okay. That is fine, I think. Unless he goes for Earthquake. Steel Beam should kill the Magnet. It does, yeah, it just rev kills. Earthquake should not knock me out. I mean, does, obviously does. And player should do a good chunk on this. Yeah, that's pretty good damage. Even with the burn. So here do we go Entei or do we do the Donphan? No, I think we have to go Entei. Feels most deep, which is the MEOWSCARADA. Yeah, makes sense. I feel like extreme speed is not bad. And then we just clear off the MEOWSCARADA. I feel like if we lose Azu though, do we not just straight up lose to... Do I not just lose to the No, 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 it's fine, it's fine. Do you have Protect? What Terra? I was Grass, no. So I think I'll E-Speed. And I'll tear the Azu into Play Rough. My Play Rough you. So the Terra here is to take the flower trick from the MEOWSCARADA. It is banded though, so it's gonna be close. Protect? Yeah, makes sense. That's obvious. It doesn't tear the MEOWSCARADA this time though. He flower tricks. Protein on who? I mean, definitely the Azu. We take that perfectly. Come on, Azu. Okay, that should be an E-Speed range. That should definitely be an E-Speed range. He is locked into Flower Trick. Actually, that is not an E-Speed range. So I'm gonna. Thing is, if I lose Azu, do I not just lose to the E-Speed and Aqua Jet? It is Grass type though. I don't think Aqua Jet is gonna do anything. No, I don't think Aqua Jet is enough. I'm gonna Protect. E-Speed and Protect. He withdraws. Okay, that was... Was it a good play? Because if he goes for Earthquake... No, I don't think you go for Earthquake. Okay, so we can Aqua Jet this. Well, technically we can't because it's gonna Terra. That's good damage. Rock Slide. Miss an Entei? That would be nice. No. Eh, that's decent damage. Okay, so the camera with Grass makes sense. And it is Garf. So I feel like I could go for an E-Speed and an Aqua Jet. No. I go for Sacred Fire and Aqua Jet. Yeah. I go for Aqua Jet. It just straight up Okos. Amazing, 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 amazing. And since Donphan is sturdy, we should be fine. Goes for Earthquake. Does not knock me out. Enter, you beast! That's amazing, amazing, amazing. So here we should be able to kill the Ent. Yeah, we do, okay. So this should be our game. There's no way we can lose this. We go Donphan. The MEOWSCARADA is Choice Bandit. He didn't Terra yet. So I'm gonna Sacred Fire with just one shot. And Ice Spinner. Right? Or High Horsepower. Yeah, and High Horse. If he does go for Terra Roast, he dies, so High Horsepower. If he doesn't Terra Ghost, I have 30, so it should be fine. He does Terra Ghost. Makes sense. E-Speed fails, makes sense. He's gonna go flower trick, right? Yeah, flower trick on the Entei. And High Horsepower should kill it down. I should kill here. And it does kill the MEOWSCARADA. Okay. Okay, so Sneasel could come. I am immune to Prankster. Foul Play does to it kill the Salamence. Does Dual Winged kill me? That's the question. Salamence, Dragon Dance. Dual Winged has a chance if it's Adamant. Dual Winged does kill the Sneasel. I feel like Magneton is a must. And I don't dislike Azu's lead. The thing is, MEOWSCARADA could come as well. So I'm gonna go get punished by the camera of lead though. So I'm gonna lead Entei this time, bring Azu in the back, and the down fan. Yeah, I'm gonna leave with this. Okay, that's what I was expecting, yes. Which is actually bad. What tier are we in the Magnezone? We're Steel. We are faster though. But if he goes for Fake Out, that's probably very bad. Terra Steel plus the Terra Steel Beam plus the the E-Speed is enough. I'm gonna Volt Switch. I'm gonna Volt Switch you and E-Speed. I think E-Speed is not gonna do enough. Do it Terra. I'm gonna Sticker Fire. Fakes out. Yeah, makes sense. It does. He did bring a Fake Out. Okay. So Magnet goes down. Carmen is locked into a ground move. Yeah, makes sense. Should have seen this coming. Sticker Fire should kill though. Wait, what happened to my Sticker Fire? Did I miss? Did I miss the Sticker Fire? Bruh. Did I seriously miss the Sticker Fire on the Sableye? Oh, no, I did. It didn't. Okay. I was confused there. So I'm gonna protect. Do I? I'm gonna protect and Terra E-Speed, but I don't want to be that weak to. No, I need damage. I need damage on this camera up, right? I'm gonna Terra just in case. No, I need Terra and the Azu. Ugh. This is hard. Because Earth Power does kill me here, so I'm gonna Sticker Fire. He goes for Reflect though. He stays in, makes sense. I feel like he goes for Reflect. Maybe he Terras the camera up. No. Is it Burn or Reflect? Yes, Reflect. Makes sense. I think I lost that game to turn 1 Burn. There we go. Okay, I got a Burn. So Sableye should die to the next turn. Yeah, it makes sense. Okay, that's not bad. So here can Aqua Jet you. Right? And E-Speed you. Sableye is slower than Azu, right? Right? They have the same speed tier, so if for some reason... it does half, okay. We are faster, okay, we do kill the Sableye. Earth Power on the Entei? Yeah, it does, okay. So he definitely thinks he wins the game with MEOWSCARADA. And I feel like he is right. He has to go to Terra Ghost here. I can Aqua Jet. Did I just protect? No, I didn't, okay. He does Terra Ghost. Okay, I feel like you have to go for Flower Trick, right? Here's the big part. Do I Aqua Jet the Camerot? I don't think it makes sense. You're just sacking the Camerot here. And I feel like you Flower Trick the Azu, right? I have to protect. I have to protect. And I'll E-speed you. I have to E-speed you. Itera is definitely MEOWSCARADA, has to be. Yeah. And I feel like you have to Flower Trick the Azu. E-speed lands. We do kill the Camerot. Flower Trick on the Entei. That would be an amazing play from you. U-turns. Okay. Interesting play. That was a nice middle ground. In case Azu. Actually, I think that was a misplay from me probably. Because I attacked Azu. Primarina. Oh, so losing Magnezone was a huge blunder from my part then. Because now you just Flower Trick and... Okay, so basically I need to get a double protect in the Azu here. No, even with the double protect, I don't think I can win this. Unless, can I one-shot the MEOWSCARADA with... I do actually. Okay, knockoff does one-shot, so it does depends. Do we get the protect? If we get the double protect in Azu, we should be fine. We don't get it. Okay, that should be GG then. Oh, triple axle. Miss, 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 miss. No, he does get it. Damn it. Okay, we lose this game. Because we went for protect, so definitely we're not going to win that. Energy Ball and Primarina. No, Icy Wind. Damn it. Yeah, we can't do anything. We just play rough. I should have seen the fake out coming from the Sableye. I should have attacked as well with Azu. Energy Ball should not kill me. No. Play rough. There's nothing. Our reflect's still up. Yeah, definitely. That's why. There's a reflect. So we lose this game. I definitely blame myself on the fake out turn 1. I should have seen fake out coming on the Magnezone. That was an obvious play from him. That's it for this week. I'll see you again next week.